Welcome to Mum Core Channel with easy recipes and big flavors. Today, I will be sharing with you my recipe for pork Pigar-Pigar, an Ilocano dish. This dish is one of my favorite recipes. A lot of my subscribers are requesting an affordable, few ingredient, yet delicious recipe. So here you are, only two main ingredients, pork and cabbage, plus the spices. Garlic, onions, cabbage, oyster sauce, pork belly. Put 2 tablespoons of oil in a wok. Sauté 8 diced garlic cloves. And 1 small sliced onion. Add 1/4 pound of cooked pork belly, reserve the stock. Add 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. ½ teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Add the remaining oyster sauce. Add 1/2 medium cabbage. Add 1/2 cup of pork stock. You may add 1 teaspoon of fish sauce or Worcestershire sauce, optional. Cook the cabbage for 2 more minutes while constantly mixing it. then we're done. You can now enjoy your Pigar-Pigar. Hit that like button. Subscribe and turn on notifications. Don't forget to leave a comment below. Follow me on all of my social media accounts. Thanks for watching.